Hi guys!
Hi guys!
We're here to do the update video for our 3 different types of tomatoes. We have the cherry tomatoes, the medium vine ripe tomatoes, and then the beef tomatoes. The big ones, right?
Yes.
Is that your favorite one? The beef tomatoes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so it is exactly 9 days since we planted the seeds, and we put them under a lamp, a 120 volt lamp. It doesn't work, it's not plugged in. But a 120 volt lamp, it's just a desk lamp, but we put it under, we put the seeds, thank you Daniel, not that high, but we put it under each, every single day for 6 hours a day. So 6 hours a day, we put it underneath the lamp, right?
Yes.
And then we would water it every single day because the lamp is sort of hot, so then it would dry out the dirt.
It's time to water because the dirt is dry.
So if you look at the dirt is dry. So if it was still wet, we wouldn't water it. So every day Daniel would water it in the morning. Don't put a lot because there's no holes in it, so it won't drain. Okay? Try not to cover the leaves, right? And only water the stems.
The dirt too.
And the dirt, yes. Only water the dirt, okay? So he would water it every single morning, and then we would turn the light on for 6 hours, and then we would turn it off at night. The main thing is we didn't want the plants sitting in wet, cold water, so we would make sure that we water them in the daytime because we knew that it would dry by the time it was nighttime, because it is winter right now here in Korea, so it's really cold. Got it? So he just waters it a little bit to make it wet and moist. And then we would turn the lamp on. That's perfect. Really good, Daniel. That's good. Okay, and then the last one.
What is sticky?
Yep, because it's going to go through. It's going to seep through. See, so if you guys see, just a little bit. It's not drowning in water, right? So it will seep through. Okay, so just get wet. Do this one. It's going to seep through. It's going to seep through. Don't do that, Daniel, because you're going to break the leaves. So just go around gently, right? So these are our 3 different plants. That's perfect. It's okay. It's going to dry. We're going to put it back under the lamp. This is the cherry tomato, right? So this is the small cherry tomato that we planted. They all look really good. The stems look really strong. And they like to look at it because if you look on the sides, they could see the roots growing. So the kids like that. They like watching the roots. So they're all standing up nice and strong. The leaves are nice and dark and green, right?
Yes.
So
when it's green, that we go healthy.
It's healthy, right? So this is the cherry tomato, and then this is the medium vine ripe tomato. This is the medium one. Same thing. It's nice and strong, and the leaves are green. And then the last one is our beef tomato, right? So this is Daniel's favorite plant.
The beef tomato, because I like it with the beef.
You like it when it's big, it's better. Yeah. And then it was fun for them because they could see the roots growing. So it's still too early to replant because they're still small and delicate. So I'll probably wait for another 2 weeks for it to get this big and make sure that the stem is nice and strong for us to replant.
Like that.
Probably that big, right?
Wait, this big?
Probably that big. Okay? So why do they need to get into a bigger pot, Daniel? Why do they need to get a bigger pot?
Have more room and have more room to go.
Yes, it needs more space. So the more space that it has, the bigger that the plant will go and it'll produce more fruit, right? More tomatoes.
Yes.
What kind of vitamins do tomatoes have?
Vitamin C and vitamin K.
Okay, okay, vitamin C and vitamin K. And what is vitamin C for?
It makes your immune system strong.
Right, so you don't get sick. And right now it's really cold in Korea, so everybody is sick and everyone has the flu right now. So it's really important. So in the mornings, I make sure I cut them tomatoes and I feed them tomatoes. So instead of a glass of orange juice, I give them a whole tomato, cherry tomatoes. If it's the cherry tomatoes, I probably give about like 8 cherry tomatoes. If it's the beef tomato, I just cut 1. And then what else? So vitamin C and then vitamin K. What is vitamin K for, Daniel?
It makes your bones strong.
It makes your bones strong, right?
Like Daddy and Hulk and Iron Man.
So Hulk, Iron Man, and Daddy, they all have strong bones?
Yes.
Okay, so they eat a ton of tomatoes, you think?
Yes.
Okay, so When these plants get bigger and bigger, probably in about 2 weeks, we're gonna replant them into bigger pots.
Yes.
Depending on the size of the pot, we'll probably have 1 or 2 tomato plants per pot. So if you see, this was just 1 beef tomato and it made that many plants.
It had to be this big and like that.
That tall, right.
This tall.
Right, so 1 tomato made that many plants. So you can see how if you pick really, really good quality tomatoes in the stores, right?
Yes.
Maybe a little bit pricey, but look how many plants you get. So when I pick tomatoes, I make sure they're really firm, really red. The darker the red, the better. The deeper the red, the more nutrients, right?
Yes.
So I make sure that, I also make sure that I get all different types of tomatoes. I get the orange tomatoes, the red cherry tomatoes, the big beef tomatoes, and I plant all different types of tomatoes.
Yes.
Is there anything else?
Nope.
So we'll update it once we start replanting them, right?
Yeah, when they get big, like this big.
So do you think everyone should eat tomatoes?
Yes.
Right? It's good for them?
Yes.
So tell them, eat your tomatoes.
Eat your tomatoes every single day in the cold.
In the cold? We're in the cold. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.